one's still a little damp too. If you.
And I think if you come this way, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just.
Take it closer.
Some people like to look at a good eye on a pigeon.
Yes,
They like to
yes.
look at all the black and the gray and
Correct.
the red in there too. But
Correlation, all that.
yeah.
I don't go through the eyes. I trust on basket. My dad used to say,
Yep.
just take them,
Yep.
release them, and basket them all the time.
They if you do that long enough, they sure sort themselves out.
My dad used to say, basket them. It doesn't matter.
Yeah. As long as they look like they're in good shape and they feel good and they're flying good, well then.
So did you race with this guy? Or?
Yep. All these guys race. Yep. All of them
So
in
how
there.
far did you go with this guy?
This guy, I believe, is the farthest that this one. He might have been the Hamilton Club too. Yeah, this one I was flying in Hamilton.
So 200 plus, I would say.
Yeah, I think he's been to 350. I
350,
think is about. He's 2014. He's getting old. That's why. That's why this.
But also he's good.
Yeah, yeah. They go about 5 years maybe, and then they still come home. But I find that they kind of slow. They got a slower pace. They don't want to hurry. The younger ones seem to be a little more pep in them, I guess, or something, or whatever it is. But yeah.
Yeah, he's nice. He's nice.